This is one of the most popular terrier breeds in Australia, and not many people know what they are. It's the West Highland White Terrier. When it comes to colour choice, it's easy. This is it, white. They do have that typical feisty terrier spirit, which you wouldn't think so when you look at this cute little face, and this is what people fall in love with. What do you find so special about a Westie?
They're very affectionate dogs and they're rugged little dogs.
How difficult is it to make them look like that?
For the connoisseur, it can take many hours of grooming, but you know, you can take them to a groomer who will clip them off 3 or 4 times a year and keep them looking quite smart and neat and tidy.
How are they with young children?
Fine, as long as the children don't hurt them. But with older children who treat them kindly, they'll be their best friend for life.
They're obviously a dog that's spirited and energetic. Could they be a little over the top for elderly people?
No, I don't think they would be. They can adjust, and for elderly people, because the dog bonds so well to human beings, elderly people, they're a perfect dog.
Westies are certainly a very determined, robust little dogs, but when they get problems, they can be severe. Probably the worst one I see are the ones that come in with chronic skin irritations. The other problems they can get is Legg-Perthes disease. This is where the actual ball in the hip just crumbles up and they need surgery, otherwise they're severely lame in that area. And then, very oddly, you see this funny problem where the jaw proliferates too much, often called lion jaw. So you want to make sure the parents have been cleared of those sort of conditions before you buy a pup.
Then people that buy a Westie are going to take them down to the park to go for a walk. What is the reaction of the dog to other dogs down at the park? Are they going to be aggressive?
They could be, yes, definitely, because they are a terrier. They should always be kept on a lead until such time as that you are confident that the dog has been well socialised and is happy to meet up with other male dogs in the park. They are a very intelligent dog and they do retain what you teach them pretty quickly.
But they don't like coming back when they're called sometimes, do they?
No. No, sometimes the adventure is far too attractive, but they will come back when they're ready.